What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're doing a Southern slaw dog or a sauce and slaw dog deal. I was perusing through YouTube the other day and I saw the WALTWINS came out with a chili dog video, and it looked phenomenal and it made me want a hot dog. So here's what I'm doing. I know I'm gonna get a little flack because I know there's different ways that I've seen people do it. There's Southern slaw dog, and I've seen people do chili and some other ways, and sloppy joes on top of the hot dog with the slaw and all that, and that's what I'm doing. So let's just start off with some veggies. We got one red bell pepper, half of a red onion, and a serrano pepper, all diced up in here. We're gonna get this stuff going first, throw some meat on. Get some oil around here. My griddle's up to 350. All right. Boom. Get all those seeds from that serrano. All right. Just turn this up real quick. Now, I did post a video a while back. It was, I don't know, maybe like 8 months or so ago. I made my own sloppy joes, and I mean, it came out really good, but I'm trying to do something a little easy tonight. So we're gonna throw some manwich on it, the old stuff in the can, make it nice and easy. All right, let's throw some meat on here. This is 1 pound of 85/15 ground beef. All right, let's go ahead and cut that up. All right, let's get this going. Got a pepper in there? There we go. Just chop it up. All right, now I'm just gonna let this stuff cook up for like 4 minutes. Should be all done by then. Then we're gonna move on to the hot dog and get her going. So it's been like 2 minutes. The meat's almost done. I'm gonna combine these. I'm not gonna do just plain old, simple sloppy joes. Gotta have something in there, some more flavors. All right, get that nice and good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just move this over. You know what, I can probably turn this one off. I have these 2 burners off. These 2 are on medium. And so that's good. Just get that, keep it right there. Let's add the sauce. All right, that'll be good. Boom. Now, you know what? I'm gonna clean a spot right here. Let's throw these hot dogs on. Man, that's smelling good. That onion, that red onion, nice and strong. All right. Now I got 3 hot dogs here. These are Nathan's hot dogs, and I cut them, diamond cut them, put slits in them, so they just cook better. You get a nice little crisp on the ridges of those diamonds. Really good. Let's just throw a little oil down. Spread it out. Boom, just let them go. And I like to go diamonds down to start. Boom, just let them go. From there, I'm gonna bring you back in just a couple minutes after these things are getting closer and see how we're looking. All right, everything's off, everything's done. You see these things curling up all crazy? Yeah, we're ready to Buns here. These are the top cut buns, and to tell you the truth, I did not know these things existed until about a week ago, and pretty nice idea. I like it. So all right, we're gonna start off. Let's throw these hot dogs in. Ooh, man, this looks so good. Oh, man. And the coleslaw, I did make the coleslaw, but I didn't do it on video because I just didn't feel like it, to tell you the truth. It's just a 8-ounce bag of coleslaw with Duke's mayonnaise, some half and half. I'll put everything in the description. I mean, it's a really, really good recipe, but yeah, let's dive in. That is good. That is good. Definitely, if you do this and you use the manwich, throw something else in there. It's way too plain with just that. You gotta throw some onions, some peppers, that kind of stuff. Got a nice little spice from that Serrano too. That coleslaw, nice and crunchy. All right. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna get in, eat my dinner. My wife might get one. And appreciate you coming by. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. See you on the next one. Thanks.